Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room Recap for Tuesday, August the 15th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. If you want to have any, send me any questions, here's the email address you can use. This is the link for the room. The room is free. It is truly free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our room. You can come in as a guest. This is a subscription link. There's a promo code there, and the room opens around 9 o'clock in the morning Eastern Daylight Time, and I get live on the mic at about 9:05. All right, I really just want to talk about one trade today, and that's MDXG. MDXG was something that was a great trade yesterday. I know Dusty in our room was all over this, around this area here. Had the pullback. It made my evening scan, which is just stocks that had done very well, and I tend to try to follow them the next day. So this was at the top of my evening scan, and I ended up taking this trade right about here. 16.7, that's close enough. It's actually at 16.17. Just take a look at the daily on it. Look left, what do you see? Nothing. This is an all-time high. So this stock has no chart resistance, so of course that was very interesting to look at. I mean, yesterday's move really didn't get out of all this congestion, but today's the day that it moved out. So let me just bring back the 15-minute chart, and so this is where I got in. I did sell some, in 1645 and 1653, and then up in this area, and now I'm actually. So it was a great trade. I mean, on a percentage basis, this was, pretty gentle. This is the 15-minute candles, a little topping tail and bottoming tail, topping tail and bottoming tail. So it was a little bit whippy here, but nonetheless, it was fairly simple just to hang into this trade. Now I'm actually looking to see if I'm going to take this if it gets over 17 again. This could happen, and I may in fact even swing it. It's hard to say. I want to see, of course, it has to close over 17, and I would like it to close near the high of the day in order for me to take this as a swing trade. Now I am in one other trade from Holly right now, Aspen. The alert was at 58.99. I got into this trade right here around 59.17. Hasn't moved that much. And I've sold some out at 59.36, trying to hold on to it. One of the reasons is I was in this one 2 days on Friday. This was just a great trade on Friday. It had a little sell-off at the end of the day. I was out of it by then, of course. Yesterday it had a sell-off. Take a look at the daily chart, and you can see how beautiful this was on the Friday, especially trying to fill in this gap here. Pulled back yesterday, and now who knows? Maybe it's attempting to move back up. So I am in this one, and we'll just see what happens. All right, that is really about it. A couple other little trades. Oh, I did want to say I did get out of the FE trade. This was a swing trade for me. Just didn't work out quite the way I wanted it to. Let's just take a look at the 50. And I did have a quick scalp on it if I had wanted it. I was in this one yesterday at 34.20, right near the end of the day. I love the daily, but I did stop myself out for a 50-cent loss on it. But again, I was had this as a swing trade, so I share sized accordingly. So 50 cents sounds like a big loss. I typically do not take 50-cent losses, but again, I was share sizing it as a potential swing trade. I still like it if if it gets back over the high of today, which is basically the high of yesterday. I will definitely be taking a look at it. It may not happen today, but if it happens tomorrow, definitely want to look at it, because look at the potential void fill. All right, that's about it for today. I do have somebody on hold. You might be able to hearing this in the background, so I want to wrap this up right now. Get the icon in here, and I'll open the room tomorrow. First of all, hope everybody has a great evening. I'll open the room tomorrow at about 9 a.m. Eastern Time, and that's when I start to share my screen, and I will get live on the mic at 9:05. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.